Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this maintenance task. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush for dusting, a vacuum with a nozzle attachment, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. First, ensure that your hairdryer is unplugged. Safety is paramount when performing any maintenance. Start by removing the rear grille. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew any screws holding the grille in place. Keep these screws in a small container so you don't lose them. Once the grille is removed, you may notice a buildup of hair and dust. This accumulation can hinder performance and even lead to overheating. Use the soft brush to gently clean the interior, removing any debris you find. If the buildup is significant, you can use the vacuum with the nozzle attachment to suck up any remaining particles. Remember, keeping the interior clean is essential for optimal airflow and performance. After cleaning the interior, take a moment to inspect the heating element and the fan. If you see any signs of damage or excessive wear, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to us for expert assistance. Now, let's move on to the front grille. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the exterior of the hairdryer, including the grille. This not only keeps it looking good but also helps prevent dust from entering the device. If you feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transportation. Next, reattach the rear grille. Align it carefully with the body of the hairdryer, making sure it fits snugly. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure it back in place, ensuring that all screws are tightened properly. This step is crucial as loose components can lead to further issues down the line. Once everything is back in place, plug in your hairdryer and test it out. Make sure it operates smoothly and that there are no unusual noises or smells. If you encounter any issues during this test, remember that you can always get a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your hairdryer back in top shape. In summary, maintaining your HS hairdryer involves a few straightforward steps: gathering the right tools, cleaning the interior and exterior, and ensuring everything is securely reassembled. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the life of your device but also enhances its performance, giving you that perfect styling experience every time. If you prefer to leave this maintenance to the professionals, don't forget we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to keep your hairdryer in excellent condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.